In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from Charles Schwab Brokerage account. We'll walk through the simplest, correct process so you can move your money without confusion. First, make sure the cash you want to withdraw is actually available. If you recently sold stocks or ETFs, remember that proceeds don't become withdrawable until they settle. That usually takes one business day under current settlement rules. Only settled cash can be moved out. So if you see a higher buying power than cash available, wait until the cash shows as settled before you proceed. This avoids delays or failed transfers. Once your cash is ready, log in to your Schwab account and head to Move Money. Within that section, select Transfers and Payments. This is the hub for pulling funds out of your brokerage to your bank or requesting other withdrawal methods. Next, choose how you want to receive the money. The easiest and most common method is an online transfer, also known as ACH. Select Online Transfer, set the From account to your Schwab Brokerage and the To account to your linked bank. Enter the amount you want to move and submit. ACH transfers are free, secure, and typically arrive in 1 to 2 business days. This is the best choice for most people because it balances speed, zero fees, and simplicity. If you need the money the same day, consider a wire transfer. Choose wire transfer, then provide the required bank details such as your bank's name, routing or SWIFT information if applicable, and your account number. Double check everything since wires move quickly and can be harder to correct. Wires usually arrive the same business day but often carry a fee of around $15. Keep in mind there may be a daily cutoff time. Another option is to request a paper check. Select Request a Check, enter the amount, and Schwab will mail it to the address on file. This is slower, generally 6 to 9 business days, but it can be useful if you prefer physical delivery. Before finalizing any method, review all details carefully. Confirm you selected the correct From and To accounts, verify the amount, and check the timing estimate. Then submit. You'll see a confirmation on screen, and you may receive an email notification. Transfers process on business days and may be affected by weekends or holidays. To recap, verify your cash is settled, go to Move Money, pick your withdrawal method, and confirm. For most people, the free ACH transfer in 1 to 2 days is the smartest choice.